Have you ever wondered if the Bible's stories could be supported by scientific evidence? It's a question that has intrigued scholars and skeptics alike for centuries. Today, let's explore 10 fascinating scientific facts that align with what's written in this ancient text. First, let's talk about the Great Flood. Geologists have found evidence of a massive flood in the Middle East around 7,000 years ago. The Mediterranean Sea actually burst through a natural dam, flooding the Black Sea with enough water to cover 155,000 square kilometers in less than a year. The Bible mentions the destruction of Sodom and Gomorrah by fire and brimstone. Interestingly, archaeologists have discovered evidence of a cosmic airburst event near the Dead Sea around 3,700 years ago, which would have created a catastrophic explosion similar to what's described in Genesis. Remember the plagues of Egypt? The series of catastrophes described could be scientifically explained by a chain reaction starting with red algae blooms in the Nile, which would have turned the water red and triggered subsequent ecological disasters. The Bible describes the earth as suspended in space in Job 26.7, written thousands of years before humans discovered this fact. Pretty remarkable for an ancient text, right? Even the Bible's hygiene laws make scientific sense. The instruction to wash hands under running water and quarantine sick individuals was millennia ahead of modern medical understanding. The scriptures mention the circle of the earth in Isaiah 40:22, suggesting a spherical planet long before this was commonly accepted. Archaeological discoveries continue to validate historical accounts in the Bible. The existence of the Hittite civilization, once doubted by critics, was confirmed by archaeological findings in Turkey. The Bible's description of the hydrologic cycle in Ecclesiastes 1:7 accurately depicts how water cycles between the earth and atmosphere long before this was scientifically understood. Recent genetic studies suggest that all modern humans descended from a single woman, scientifically named mitochondrial Eve, aligning with the biblical account of human origins. And finally, the Bible's mention of stars being countless was written when humans believed they could count all the stars. Today we know there are indeed billions upon billions of stars, just as Abraham was told. So while coming back to our initial often seem at odds, these fascinating correlations suggest that ancient biblical writers may have possessed remarkable insights into the natural world. Whether you're a believer or a skeptic, it's hard to deny that these connections between modern scientific discoveries and ancient biblical texts are truly fascinating.